Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so these problems are like little puzzles. Period is 8. There's no spot for period in my graph, in my function. The spot that I need is B, and B is the frequency, not the period. But I can get the period from the frequency. I know that period for sine and cosine is 2 pi over frequency, which means frequency is 2 pi over period. If my period is 8, that means my frequency is 2 pi over 8, or pi over 4. So my B is going to be pi over 4. Okay? Now, I need a phase shift of -2. So, when I'm writing my function, and I'll put it back in a minute, my B is out here, and my phase shift is -2. So that means I'm adding 2 to x. Okay. We just found our B. So B is pi over 4. Okay. If I multiply that back, I'm going to get cosine of, in parentheses, pi over 4 x plus pi over 2. Okay, and that will give me my B and my C. Now, what about my A? A is my amplitude. Okay, I'm not told anything about amplitude, but I am told the range. So let's just think about what that is, like vertically, right? I'm going to be going from +4 up to 16. So what that means is this is my minimum and my maximum values of my graph. So that means that halfway between those is going to be my midline, right? So halfway between them is 10 units, right? Because this is, I'm sorry, that's positive. Halfway between them is going to be 6 units, right? So because they are 12 units apart, so 6 units puts me at 10, which means I am 6 units in this direction and 6 units in that direction. So 10 is my vertical shift. That means my 10 is going to be adding to the function, and the 6 is my amplitude. And that is your function right there. Kind of like being a trig detective to put it all together.